In this video, we are going to see the basic concept behind time and work. First, suppose we have two entities A and B. These entities can be anything. It may be person, machine, or some quantity which does some work. Our task is to find out answer to few questions. The first question is, what is the individual work done in one day? And the second question is, what is the work done by all the items in one day if they work together? And the final question is, number of days to complete the same work if they do it together. So if we find answer to these three questions, then we are okay with solving almost any kind of problem in time and work. So for that, let us consider an example. First, suppose we have two entities A and B. A can complete a piece of work in X days, and B can complete a piece of work in Y days. Now we need to find out individual work. What is the work done by A in one day? So how to find out that? Let us consider work done as 1 unit. So 1 unit of work is done in X days. Then in one day, what is the work done by A, which is nothing but 1 by X. So this is the work done by A in one day. The same way, the work done by B in one day is 1 by Y. So this is the answer to the first question. Now the second question is, if they both combinedly do, then what is the work done by them in one day? That is nothing but A plus B in one day, which is nothing but 1 by X plus 1 by Y. And if you solve this, you will get X plus Y by XY. So this is the work done by A and B combinedly in one day. Now the final question is, how many number of times it will take to complete the same work if they work together? In the previous thing, what we have found out, X plus Y by XY is the work done in one day. What is the total work? 1 unit. 1 unit can be done in how many days? So this can be done in 1 into 1 by X plus Y by XY days, and this can be written as XY by X plus Y. So this is the total number of days it will take to complete the same work if they both combinedly do it. So we need to be clear in these three concepts. The entire problems of time and work depends on these three concepts.